Right now, a massive shift is happening in personal finance, where investing just $300 a month can turn into $1 million over time through the power of compounding. This is not financial advice, but rather an observation of historical trends. And what I'm about to show you will change how you think about your monthly investments. In 2026, with all the economic fluctuations, it's more important than ever to understand how to grow your wealth over time. The concept of compounding is not new, but its application in today's financial landscape can be revolutionary. If you're looking to secure your financial future, this video is for you. Let's dive in and explore the compounding secret that can turn $300 a month into $1 million. So, what exactly is compounding, and how does it turn $300 a month into $1 million? Essentially, compounding is the process of generating earnings on your initial investment and any accrued earnings over time. It's a snowball effect that can significantly grow your wealth if given enough time. But here's the part nobody talks about: the power of consistency and patience in this process. Let's look at some real data to understand the impact of compounding. According to historical data, consistent investments over long periods can yield significant returns. For example, if you invest $300 a month for 30 years with an average annual return of 7%, you could end up with over $1 million. This is not a guarantee, but it illustrates the potential of compounding. The key is to start early and be consistent. So, what can you do to start turning $300 a month into $1 million? First, start investing consistently, even if it's a small amount. Second, educate yourself on the power of compounding and how it applies to your investments. Remember, this is not financial advice, but rather educational content. Always do your own research or consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. The power of compounding is real, and it's available to anyone who starts early and remains consistent. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing for more content on achieving financial freedom. In our next video, we'll explore more secrets to growing your wealth over time, starting with the simplest yet most effective investment strategies. And as we delve into these strategies, you'll begin to realize that the key to financial success is not just about the money, but about the mindset and the discipline to stick to your long-term goals.